The Honda Super Cub has always stood as a symbol of reliability, timeless design, and everyday practicality. But in 2026, Honda takes that heritage to new heights with the Super Cub 160 HRC. This new model blends the classic spirit of the Cub with the performance and styling of Honda Racing Corporation. It's not just a scooter anymore, it's a statement. Welcome to Acer Showroom as we explore the details of this two-wheeled marvel. Engine and performance, more power, more precision. At the heart of the 2026 Super Cub 160 HRC lies a newly upgraded 157 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, borrowed and tuned from Honda's sportier small-displacement platforms. Producing more horsepower than any Super Cub before it, this engine offers quicker acceleration, a higher top speed, and smoother throttle response. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets or cruising open backroads, the Cub 160 HRC ensures an exciting yet efficient ride. HRC DNA racing inspiration on every curve. The HRC in its name isn't just for show. Inspired by Honda's MotoGP division, the Super Cub 160 HRC features track-inspired components, including upgraded suspension, enhanced braking power with front and rear disc brakes, and HRC-specific ECU mapping. The lightweight chassis is complemented by a sportier riding position and tuned for greater handling agility, a nod to its racing lineage without compromising the Cub's urban versatility. Bold design with classic roots. The 2026 model maintains the signature silhouette of the original Super Cub, but receives a bold makeover. With HRC livery in red, blue, and white, aerodynamic enhancements, and aggressive LED lighting, this is a Super Cub that turns heads. Its design retains the retro charm Honda is known for, while injecting a dose of racing spirit to appeal to younger, performance-driven riders. Smart features for the modern rider. Technology is where the Super Cub 160 HRC truly shines. Equipped with a full digital LCD display, keyless ignition, and Honda Selectable Torque Control HSTC, the ride becomes both smarter and safer. The advanced connectivity system even allows you to pair your smartphone for navigation and music controls, making it a seamless urban companion. Practicality meets performance. Despite its performance upgrades, Honda hasn't forgotten the Cub's original mission to be an accessible, fuel-efficient everyday ride. The 2026 HRC edition offers an impressive fuel economy of over 50 km per litre and features a spacious underseat storage compartment, ideal for commuting or light touring. It's a machine built for daily use, now with a performance twist. The Sport Cub we've been waiting for. With the 2026 Honda Super Cub 160 HRC, Honda has redefined what the Super Cub can be, blending racing DNA, practical engineering, and urban sophistication. It's the perfect machine for those who want the spirit of a sport bike in a form that's iconic, efficient, and uniquely Honda. Subscribe to Acer Showroom for more update on the latest motorcycles, first looks, and detailed bike reviews. Ride smart, ride bold, ride the Super Cub 160 HRC.